Welcome to my channel about narcissistic abuse and healing. Want to become a narcissist's worst nightmare? Today I'm sharing a game-changing technique that will help you master the grey rock technique, making you immune to their manipulation. Let's dive in. Grey rocking is a highly effective strategy for dealing with narcissists. The term grey rock refers to making yourself as emotionally unresponsive and uninteresting as possible. One of the most powerful and easiest ways to master this technique is by training yourself to behave like a robot. Narcissists thrive on your emotional reactions, so give them none. Act and respond like a robot. Does a robot care if you praise it, criticize it, or even insult it? Has it ever tried to defend itself or express fear when given threats? Has it ever talked about its feelings and emotions? Has it ever expressed emotions? We see that it always delivers rational, logical, evidence-based responses. When a robot refuses to do something, it simply refuses. You cannot make it comply. So when you are around a narcissist, behave like a robot that offers only short, factual answers and speaks only when it's spoken to. When you refuse the narcissist something, just simply refuse and do not budge from your position. To master this technique, spend time interacting with AI, observe its behavior, and learn from it. Narcissists do not target objects like cars or robots because these things are unemotional. Narcissists want human as prey and are highly attuned to people's emotions, preferring to torment their victims slowly. Narcissists carefully adjust their tactics to maximize their victims' suffering. Their goal isn't indifference to suffering, it is the intentional infliction of fear and pain. To stop a narcissist from targeting you, you need to become something they are not interested in. Behave like a robot. Behaving like a robot is your best option. Quote to remember: the best way to trick the wolf is not to look like a sheep. Thank you for watching.